This video is how to change the cabin filter on a, well, this is a Mazda 2 2016 model, but it'll work for a few of the Mazda 2s, Mazda 3s, CX-3 and CX-30. I will leave some information in the video description, so check that out about which models it'll work for. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. You just got to push the sides in, and there's some little stoppers there. So that's the stopper there, and there's one on the other side as well. So that's just come out, and then there's these hinges there. Just pull it off that, and then inside here, that's your cabin filter there. So it's got two little locking tabs there. You just squeeze those together and pull it out. So there's the old one there, pretty disgusting. Here's the new one, big difference. So new one, the big tab goes at the top. Just put it in until you hear a click. That's good. And then line the hinges up there, both sides. Yep, there we go. And then squeeze the sides in so those tabs go behind. All done.